How are health services in Gaza coping after the recent Israeli drone strike? The answer reveals resilience and urgent struggles that most people don't see behind the headlines. After the recent Israeli drone strike, Gaza's health services have been overwhelmed by a rapid influx of injured patients. Many hospitals suffered damage themselves, reducing available beds and critical care capacity. Medical staff are working around the clock despite limited resources and dangerous conditions. This immediate strain highlights how fragile Gaza's healthcare system is under attack. One of the biggest challenges is the acute shortage of medical supplies, including essential medicines, surgical tools, and blood. The blockade and repeated conflicts restrict imports, making replenishment slow or impossible. Additionally, frequent power outages disrupt life-saving machines and refrigeration for vaccines and medicines, forcing hospitals to rely on unstable generators. Health workers in Gaza show extraordinary resilience. Many volunteer extra shifts while dealing with trauma and personal loss. Training and experience in conflict medicine help them perform under pressure. International aid organizations provide some support, but staff shortages persist, pushing these frontline heroes to their limits. Beyond immediate crisis care, the strike worsens long-term health outcomes. Mental health issues rise as communities face trauma and uncertainty. Damage to hospitals and ambulances delays recovery. Repeated cycles of violence erode an already fragile system, making future outbreaks and emergencies harder to manage. Gaza's health services face immense challenges after the drone strike, balancing urgent care with scarce resources and ongoing conflict. Their resilience under fire is both inspiring and a stark reminder of war's human cost. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.